Hey, it's Jeff again from Loba Invisible, here to talk about Loba's Invisible. So a lot of people are familiar with this finish. It is truly unique. It gives you the look and feel of a raw wood floor. So if you sand your floor to say 100 grit, that's what the floor is going to look like. Oftentimes people will say, we'd like to see a sample of Invisible. Sand the floor to 100. That's what it's going to look like. So it's a two-component finish, very chemically resistant, very wear resistant finish. It can be, it's self-sealing, so you can put it on raw wood. It could be a 2-coat system with our Deluxe 120 roller, or a 3-coat system with our Micro 120 roller. Some other things to consider with Invisible is our whitener looks fantastic in it. It'll brighten up the floor a little bit. Also with Invisible, some guys like to put Easy Prime down first with their first coat with some whitener in it. Contact your local Loba rep and he can give you more information on that.